Consider the humble amoeba. It's a single-celled organism, a microscopic blob going about its business. This tiny creature eats, breathes, and reproduces all within the confines of its single cell. Now compare that to you. You are a masterpiece of complexity, a universe of trillions of cells working in perfect harmony. Unlike the amoeba, your cells are specialized. They've chosen their career paths, so to speak. Some cells are lung cells dedicated to capturing oxygen. Others are heart cells, tirelessly pumping blood. This division of labor, this exquisite specialization, is what allows us to function at such a high level. Think of it like this. You wouldn't ask your plumber to perform brain surgery, right? Similarly, in the human body, each cell has a unique role to play, and it performs that role with unwavering dedication. This intricate dance of specialized cells is what keeps us alive and kicking. We've established that our cells are specialists, but why is this so important? Why can't our cells just be generalists, jacks of all trades? The answer lies in a concept called homeostasis. Homeostasis is the body's way of maintaining a stable internal environment, a delicate equilibrium necessary for survival. Imagine your body as a bustling city. For this city to function, garbage needs to be collected, traffic needs to flow, and buildings need to be maintained. Each specialized cell contributes to this delicate balance. Muscle cells contract, nerve cells transmit signals, and gland cells secrete hormones, all working in concert to keep the city running smoothly. Without cell specialization, this intricate orchestration would be impossible. Our bodies would be like that city without specialized workers, chaotic, inefficient, and ultimately unsustainable. It's the dedication of our cellular specialists that allows us to thrive in a constantly changing world. So we have trillions of specialized cells, each with a specific job. How do they come together to form a functioning human being? This is where tissues come in. Tissues are groups of similar cells working together to perform a common function. Think of them as the departments within our city analogy. You have your muscle tissue, responsible for movement, your nervous tissue, in charge of communication, your epithelial tissue, forming linings and coverings, and your connective tissue, providing support and structure. These four primary tissue types are the building blocks of every organ in your body. Just like departments within a city work together to provide essential services, different tissues collaborate to form organs. Your heart, for example, is a marvel of muscle tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue, all working in perfect synchrony to pump blood throughout your body. It's the seamless collaboration of these tissues that allows our organs and ultimately our bodies to function with such remarkable efficiency. Let's meet the Fantastic Four of the tissue world, the essential building blocks that keep our bodies functioning smoothly. Nervous tissue. This is the communication expert, the body's high-speed internet. It's made up of specialized cells called neurons that transmit electrical signals faster than you can blink. These signals control everything from muscle contractions to sensory perceptions. Muscle tissue, the mover and shaker of the body. It comes in three varieties, each with its own unique function and structure. Skeletal muscle for voluntary movements like walking, running, and lifting objects. Smooth muscle found in organs like the digestive system, helping to move food through the gut. And cardiac muscle, the tireless worker of your heart, pumping blood tirelessly throughout your life. Epithelial tissue, the protective barrier and multitasker. It forms linings and coverings like your skin, which shields you from the external environment and the lining of your organs, providing a crucial barrier and interface for absorption and secretion. It also has secretory functions, releasing substances like hormones and sweat, playing a key role in maintaining homeostasis. Connective tissue, the glue that holds everything together. It provides support, structure, and insulation, ensuring that our organs and tissues stay in place and function properly. Think bones, which provide a rigid framework for the body, cartilage, which cushions joints, tendons, which connect muscles to bones, and even blood, which transports nutrients and oxygen. These four tissue types, with their diverse structures and specialized functions, are the foundation upon which the human body is built. They work in harmony to keep us alive and well. Understanding their individual roles is key to appreciating the complexity and elegance of our biological design. Each type of tissue plays a vital part in the intricate symphony of life. Section 5. A glimpse through the looking glass, unveiling the microscopic world. For centuries, the inner workings of the human body remained shrouded in mystery. Ancient scholars and physicians could only speculate about the intricate mechanisms that sustained life. It wasn't until the invention of the microscope that we could finally peer into this hidden world. This revolutionary tool allowed scientists to explore realms previously beyond human perception. The development of the microscope in the 17th century was a pivotal moment in scientific history. It marked the beginning of a new era, where observation and experimentation could reveal the unseen. Suddenly, we could see cells, those tiny building blocks of life, for the first time. This breakthrough provided a foundation for modern biology and medicine. Pioneers like Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch scientist and master lens grinder, opened up a universe invisible to the naked eye. His dedication and craftsmanship led to the discovery of microorganisms. Leeuwenhoek's meticulously crafted microscopes revealed a world teeming with life, from bacteria swimming in a drop of water to the intricate structures of muscle fibers. His observations were groundbreaking, but seeing was only half the battle. Understanding what was observed required further innovation and techniques. To truly understand tissues, scientists needed a way to differentiate the various cell types and structures. This challenge spurred the development of new methods. This led to the development of staining techniques, using dyes to highlight specific components within tissues. These techniques allowed for greater clarity and detail in microscopic studies. These early pioneers paved the way for the field of histology, the study of tissues, which continues to provide invaluable insights into the complexities of the human body. Their legacy lives on in modern laboratories around the world. Section 6. The body's electric highway, nervous tissue in action. Imagine a complex communication network, a superhighway of information zipping across the country. That's your nervous system, and its star player is nervous tissue. Made up of specialized cells called neurons, nervous tissue is responsible for everything you think, feel, and do. Neurons are the ultimate communicators. They transmit information through electrical and chemical signals, racing across vast distances within your body at lightning speed. These signals control everything from your muscles to your organs to your senses. Think about what happens when you touch a hot stove. Sensory receptors in your skin send a message, a jolt of electrical activity through your nervous system to your brain. Your brain, in turn, sends a message back, telling your muscles to move your hand away from the heat. This rapid-fire communication, orchestrated by your nervous tissue, is essential for survival, allowing you to react to your environment and stay safe. Section 7. Muscle mania powering our every move. From the beating of your heart to the blink of an eye, muscle tissue is the engine that keeps you moving. It's the unsung hero behind every action, big or small, that your body performs. It's the body's force-generating powerhouse, responsible for every voluntary and involuntary movement you make. Without muscle tissue, even the simplest tasks would be impossible. As we mentioned earlier, there are 3 types of muscle tissue, each with a unique structure and function, each playing a crucial role in our daily lives. Skeletal muscle. This is the muscle you can control consciously. It's what you use to perform deliberate actions. It's attached to your bones and allows you to walk, run, dance, and lift heavy objects. Every time you decide to move, skeletal muscles are at work. Smooth muscle. This type of muscle is found in your internal organs, like your digestive system, blood vessels, and bladder. It ensures that essential processes continue without conscious effort. It works automatically without you even having to think about it. This automatic function is vital for maintaining life. Cardiac muscle. The tireless worker of your heart, cardiac muscle contracts rhythmically, pumping blood throughout your body 24/7. It never rests, ensuring that your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Muscle tissue is a testament to the power of teamwork. Each type of muscle works in harmony with the others to keep you alive and active. Individual muscle cells, called muscle fibers, contract in unison, generating the force needed for movement. This coordinated effort is what makes complex movements possible. Whether it's a graceful ballet pirouette or the rhythmic contractions of your heart, muscle tissue is the driving force behind our physical capabilities. It's the foundation of our strength, endurance, and agility. Section 8. Tissues, the fabric of our being. From the intricate network of our nervous system to the tireless pumping of our hearts, tissues are the very fabric of our being. They are the bridge between the microscopic world of cells and the complex organism that is the human body. Understanding the different types of tissues, their unique structures, and their remarkable functions is key to appreciating the elegance and complexity of our biological design. Just like a tapestry is made up of countless threads woven together, our bodies are an intricate tapestry of tissues, each playing a vital role in keeping us alive and functioning. As we delve deeper into the world of tissues, we gain a newfound appreciation for the marvel that is the human body. It's a reminder that even in our most ordinary moments, trillions of cells are working tirelessly, communicating, contracting, and secreting, all in the name of keeping us alive and thriving.